Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to animate any photo completely free using AI. We'll go from static image to full video animation, including lip sync tricks to bring your characters to life. No experience needed, just a few simple tools. Let's jump in. Before we start, my name is Sheila and welcome to Sheila's Tech Tips. If you're into creative, beginner-friendly AI tools, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Sheila teach them.
I'm your AI grandma, and did you know that Sheila created me? Haha, I'm enjoying my ride.
Support her by liking her videos and subscribe to her channel. Well, next time, Sheila, give me a proper introduction.
Okay, Grandma. But I like you this way. You look young and fabulous.
So first thing first, guys, we are going to Play Store. Then we are going to install the app that we are going to use, and the app we are going to use is Dreamface. So go to Play Store, then type Dreamface. That is the AI tool that we are going to use for image to make our image move in motion. Yeah, so we download it, give it some time, then here we have it. When you open it, it's going to give you a page like this. Yeah, it's going to give you a page like this. So we're going to select avatar, talk and sing. Once you select on it, it's going to give you some several templates. Once you click on the plus button, it's going to give you to allow Dreamface to access photos and videos. Then you click on allow limited access. Then you select on the image that you want to use. I'll select mine and then done. Yes, then you select on the image, then you confirm. So we want to input our script over here. So you go to the text script, then you type. So I'm going to type my script. I'm going to type it as create her to be like a presenter speaking to the audience. Make the hands and gestures as if she is illustrating something to the viewers. Once we are done, we are going to select on the voice that we want to use.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface.
Yes, I'm going to use Nina. Select on it, then animate. Give it time as it is processing, as it is animating our image. Let's give it time.
Create her to be like a presenter speaking to the audience. Make the hands and gesture as if she is illustrating something to the viewers.
But I don't want her to say that, so I'm going to paste the script that I want my image to say. So I'm going to paste it here. I had some prompt, so I'm going to paste it here. You can type your own here, but here it's mine. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to animate any photo completely free using AI.
Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to animate any photo completely free using AI. We'll go from static image to full video animation, including lip sync tricks to bring your characters to life. No experience needed, just a few simple tools. Let's jump in. Before we start, my name is Sheila and welcome to Sheila's Tech Tips. If you're into creative...
So we are going to realize that there is watermark for Dreamface. So I'm going to show you how we are going to remove it. So we download the video from the Dreamface. So, and we head on to Chrome. So once you're in Chrome, we are going to type Superwork AI. Yes, then we are going to click on the first link. Once you click on the first link, it's going to give you a page like this. So we are going to select on create. Yeah, we select on create. So on the 3 lines up there, you're going to select on the 3 lines up there, and we are going to select on AI removal. We are going to select on AI removal. Once you're there, we are going to select AI video watermark removal. So we are going to video watermark removal. We select on the video that has watermark. Then once you select there, we take the brush, select on the brush, then you brush off the watermark there. So like that. Yeah, once you're done, you select on confirm. So we are going to give it time as it is removing the watermark.
That is the way you can easily make your avatar to move and lip sync your AI video. Thanks for watching.